We didn't get home last night until like 10:30. I'm so tired. My bedtime is 9. I'm so tired, but you know, these cows don't wait, so let's get them milked. Last night, Stephen, Wyatt's brother, graduated high school. So we went down to watch their graduation, and it was really good. When I graduated high school, my graduation was at like 10 in the morning on a Saturday. His graduation was at 7 p.m. on a Friday, which I think is crazy because that is so late. 7 p.m. So the graduation itself probably lasted until like 8, you know, and then there's tons of traffic and everything. So everyone was, you know, not back to the house until like 9:30, like it was late. That's like a half-hour drive from where we live, so we didn't get back until like 10, a little after 10, and then crawled into bed really when we got home. I have no jars ready for my milk, so that's gonna be annoying. It's okay. So my cows are over here, and they gotta walk over here to the milk stand, so I gotta go over here to go get them. Which usually, oh, I gotta open that. So I've got this net here around my little barnyard, and if I don't close off the road right here, they'll be gone. Maybe not, because it's time to milk, but I really don't want to risk it. Close that off. There they are. Hello, beauties. I do Miss Cookie first, and then Miss Daisy, and then I do Sugar last. So I'm gonna take this post, move it up here. They know the drill. They come out here, they walk over, they're gonna go to the milk stand. I'm gonna have to push them over, but that's all right. Everybody go. Go on. Go on. Shoot. Shoot. Go. 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 Go, shoot. Take that one. You're gonna go over there where you're not supposed to go. No. No. Daisy. No. Go that way. Oh. Go. No. Go. Hey. Get out. Get out. No. No. Right here. Yep. Yep. Come on. There you go. Not a girl. So I get her put in here. I pull this board up, and in here I push this board down and it locks that in place. So that's how that works. There you go. I always start with a rag and hot soapy water. And clean her off. Cookie takes about, I don't know, 15 minutes to milk completely out. Daisy and Sugar take a little bit less time. Cookie has more milk. I get my iodine in here, and you just squeeze it and it comes out the top, which is really nice. Whoops, just dip them. should. Not your turn. It's about to start pouring on me. Storming on me. Gosh. I gotta hurry. Okay, come on, Daisy. I ain't got time. Let's go, Daisy. Of course, she wants to lay here and not get up when I need her. Come on, up. Get up. Get up. Get up. 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 Go. Get up. Get up. It's your turn. Come on, up. Yep, there we go. Okay. Come on. Good girl. My babies are inside sleeping, but I don't know if they're gonna stay asleep through this. We've got a tin roof, you know, so it gets loud when it rains. It gets really, really loud. Maybe I can finish up before it gets here, but I don't think so. I think it's like right there. I think I see it. Now Daisy is my problem child. Daisy has been kicking at me and swats me with her nasty tail. So I'm about to order a kick bar because I'm tired of it. There it is. Right there. Coming right at me. Hurry up, Daisy. Stop. I mean, doesn't she know that I'm helping her out? I'm helping her. Start pouring on me. This is the part of farming that they don't talk about. Milking my cow and it is thunderstorming. Love that for me. Love that. Hello. Sugar is a milk thief, I think. That's why she's got this nose ring in. Isn't that right? All right, Shugs, it's time to get out. Time to get out, girl. At least I didn't get rained on too bad. It rained the worst while I was inside filtering milk. You love it. Thank you, Miss Sugar. Thank you, girls.